Hey friends, good evening. Tonight I'm making up a batch of coffee creamer that I thought I'd share with you. Tonight's recipe is a peppermint mocha, and I make kind of a big batch ahead of time and then I store it. I usually keep a batch for about a week in the fridge. So let's get started. First, before I start, I don't really measure, but I can tell you the measurements. I just kind of wing it and eyeball it. It's super easy. Okay, so first we're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. I put that in first because it's powder and I find it easier to mix it up when it's in. So, get that in. Next, this is super easy. This is kind of one of those recipes that's fun to do with kids because it's hard to mess it up. Next, I'm gonna add in 1.5 cups of milk. You could use whole milk, you could use half and half, you could use skim milk or almond milk if you wanted. This, we just happen to have a lot of 2% on hand right now. So that goes in. And then the sugar comes from our sweetened condensed milk. And I just do a whole 14-ounce can into the jar. A side note, if you are smart and you keep this on hand in the winter time for snow days, you can get a nice big bowl of snow, pack it in, and pour the sweetened condensed milk on top, and it makes such a yummy snow ice cream. This is kind of a slow. Let's see if we can help it out. All right. Okay. Next, I'm gonna add in some vanilla. I usually, again, I never measure vanilla, ever. Give it a nice generous teaspoon and a half. And then I'm gonna add in 2 drops, that's all you need, of peppermint vitality. So, 1, 2. Okay, that, oh, it's so good. Okay, and then we're just gonna stir this up. I like to use a dry erase marker and put the expiration date of the milk on the top of the jar. Although I've never had it expire. I've never not used this for my morning coffee. And because it's in a mason jar, sometimes giving it a good shake in the morning, like before you have it, and add it to your coffee is such an easy way to get all those ingredients combined. So, like that. All right, easy coffee creamer. It's so good, guys. Try it.